and subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great video. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to hit the post notification bell so when I release a video, you'll be the first to get the notification from my channel. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna do some lionfish, which is some curry lionfish and some boiled corn. So that is what gonna be cooking on the channel for today. And lionfish, you know, we say have to taste nice, cause a curry. I catch up the fire now, guys, for me start boil the corn. So you know, say boiled corn and curry lionfish for dinner. So I'm gonna add a yellowtail snapper in it and a parrotfish in the curry. I'm gonna add half of a Maggi chicken noodle and piece of thyme, piece of scallion for the boiling of the corn. And I'm gonna add just about one teaspoon salt. I'm going to add some butter into the corn water. So I'm just basically seasoning up the water. I'm adding some flavor into the water for the corn. So I'm also going to use a green pepper as well into the water. So I'm going to get a green. I'm going to add this pepper, and the pepper is going to help to add flavor to the water. So the water boil up. So I am going to wash off the corns and then add them into the boiling water. So the water boil up. So the great outdoor cooking can't go better than this. So we are putting the corn final one. Make sure so the corn wash. Is the corn them boiling, so I am going to give it 20 to 30 minutes for my corn to cook. So I'm just gonna cover out the pot now. Get the fire prop. You know, it's a real Jamaican style cooking this, you know, guys. Can't get no better than this, trust me. So these are the seasoning that we are going to use for the curry fish today, which I have 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 2 stalk of scallion, 2 pieces of thyme, 1 carrot, 1 green scotch bonnet pepper, and can't left out the okra, guys. So that is the okra, and we have our fish. So I'm going to wash out the fish right now with some white vinegar. So I'm adding some white vinegar to wash out the fish before I season them for the curry. So I have the 4 fish and a piece of paper towel, so I'm just drying off the excess water off it because I'm going to season the fish. So for seasoning, I'm using 1 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose season, 1 teaspoon of fish and meat season, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I'm gonna mix both season together. Just light season, not much, because when I'm going to add them into the pot, I'm still going to add some Maggi chicken noodle just to give them some flavor as well. So this is the last one. So we're just doing the same with both 4. And that's it. I am going to check on the pot with the boil corn, cause the corn almost done boil now, and 20 minutes have passed now, so I'm on corn looking good. Good old boiled corn. Can't get no better than this. So the season and everything, and the scallion thyme, everything boil out in the pot. I'm using these 3 cloves of garlic, so I am going to use the garlic to burn with the curry, both of them together, so, and that will help to enhance the flavor of the oil and the curry. So I'm not going to cut them any more finer than this, so I'm just going to rest it in the plate right there. Basically cutting up the vegetables. So I'm cutting up the carrot, so I'm going to use. So I'm cutting up the seasoning and plating them at the same time. I'm using 1 carrot. The seasoning and the vegetable done cut up and plated, guys. If you can just smell the aroma coming from the Scotch bonnet pepper, it smells so good. So all of the seasoning that I'm gonna use and vegetable for the curry fish, you know, and I can't wait to finish this curry lion. So I am preparing to do the curry fish now. So I have my frying pan on the fire, just waiting on the frying pan to warm up. Saute my garlic. I'm just sauteing the garlic for about 1 minute. Basically adding some flavor to the oil. So I'm going to add my better pork curry. I'm just burning the curry for a minute. Add the fish. So I'm using less fire. This is the okra, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, bell pepper, otherwise called sweet pepper in Jamaica, some scallion, onion, Irish carrot, everything going in. And then last up I'm going to add some tomato seeds, half cup of chicken noodle into the fish. So I'm just going to use a strainer and just give it a sip. So we're just adding some more flavor to the fish. Guys, can you see the curry fish? You have to wait for it to finish. Guys, this is my curry lionfish, and it can have with a variety of stuff, including white rice, crackers, fried dumpling, boiled food, but I'm having mine with boiled corn. And this is the end of the video. And if you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing as well.